Why do 90% of top programmers recommend daily coding practice? Because it keeps their skills sharp and their code cleaner. Let's get into it. First up, Python enthusiasts. Ever find yourself repeating code? Meet your new best friend list comprehensions. Not only do they make your code cleaner, but they also save you time. Here's a quick example. x2 for x in range, 10. Boom, you've just doubled numbers 0 through 9 in one line. Switching gears to JavaScript, let's talk about async functions. These are a game changer for handling operations that might take some time, like fetching data from a server. Simply add a sync before your function and a wait before your operation, and you're set. This keeps your app smooth and responsive. No more waiting around. Remember, the key to mastering programming is consistency. Dedicate time every day, even if it's just a minute, to write some code. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep coding. That's all for today's quick tips. Subscribe for more daily doses of coding magic. Happy coding. See you tomorrow.